If you enjoy Thai food, you really should check out Nittaya's Secret Kitchen. It's tucked away in a little strip mall at the corner of Rampart and Lake Mead, right at the edge of Summerlin. It's a cozy little place with comfortable chairs and tables and really good food. They also have a great wine list, which they feature on Thursday nights for half price some of the wines. We took our friend Helen, who was in town from San Francisco, there recently, and you'll see what she has to say about it here.
This is a spicy lime vinaigrette dressing with minced chicken, cashews, carrots, and red onions. Or you could pour it on top and kind of let it soak into the leaf. It's your choice.
Sorry.
So she cried. She was
the crying tiger steak.
And I'll bring some Enjoy your order.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the restaurant I will come 3 times a week. They are delicious.
Oh, look at this.
Nicely.
They call those bambalinis they call those bambalinis at in San Francisco at Joe's original.
The Italian place then.
Okay.
Dig in.
Dig. Bambalinis, yeah, and they serve it with a glass of espresso coffee on the side with a vanilla ice cream in it.
What's really good is actually when you get these and you have coconut ice cream, because we have fresh homemade coconut ice cream, and then the caramel sauce on the donuts and the ice cream. Yep. American Idol.
So tell me about this happy hour over here.
All right, we have Monday through Thursday from 3 to 6 p.m. at the bar only. You can come in and enjoy. We have like $5 sangrias, which we make from scratch, and they're amazing.
Oh,
and
yeah?
we also have some really great wines. They change all the time, so when you come in, it'll be like a big surprise. We have an array of tapas that are being wonderful, and we have like crab wonton and egg rolls and different things for like really good price. So come on in.
I would come here 3 times a week. It's delicious, darling.
Perfect.
Nittaya's Secret Kitchen is located right at the edge of Summerlin. If you'd like to see nearby homes, call 702-354-6900.